they're here, but they can check out the website.
Thank you.
Él es supersónico.
I feel like if I was not here and you came here yourself, you're probably fine.
Don't need to. Which is the one thing you want to get before we go? You only have like 15 minutes left.
I want to get a new one Demon Slayer plushie. That's what I need.
Oh, Linda. Nice to see you again. Yes, ma'am. I've been trying to.
I have one a bit over.
Gosh, do you like Kaiju number 8?
I have not watched it.
So it's an action-packed one. It's because there's a booth over there that's doing Kaiju number 8. They get an ID card and they got it and get the ticket to the game. So it's not anything else.
Yeah. I can tell you just from working with Toya.
Yeah, they have like 6 different characters you can choose from. So each character is a different color and then you can get your folder there, your name, your real name, your fake name, any name you want.
Oh, that's fun.
Yeah, I saw it, so you don't need to know the series too much, but it definitely helps. They'll be here all weekend, so.
Okay, thank you for the info.
Yeah, definitely see if you could go get one.
Alright, let's go.
Did you stay online or what?
Yeah, it's right there, the yellow, the black and yellow there.
So when let's go?
Yeah, they
I
have
want to
like
check out if they have a Demon Slayer plushie. I'm not
Oh,
leaving.
no, fine, just go find it then.
yeah, but it's right there in case
Thank you guys. Enjoy your weekend, alright? It's good to see you guys, by the
Hopefully
way.
you're able to get another ticket for the other days.
I will. Have a good one, alright?
Likewise. Hopefully see you at another con.
I'll see you at Comic Con, of course.
Oh yeah, definitely. See you there.
Take care, Linda.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Sorry. I found a Demon Slayer plushie. Yeah. So this ring is cool.
plushie 你在网络上可以买。
Then when you see go, let me see if like.
Is there anything else besides the plushie?
Any stickers?
Stickers 很贵，you can those also online too. Hello.
Even a clip.
Oh, they light up too.
Go down, let's go. Let's buy nails from Monica.
Come on. No, let's go. Let's go this way. Oh, that's cute. You can actually put it on the phone. Nice. All right, since you're here, let's see if you can get your ID done. So how do you get involved?
So all you need to do is take a photo with the kaiju. I can take a photo for you if you like. And then if you share that photo to Instagram and Twitter with the hashtag K8Game, show it to this gentleman right here. He'll set you up with the gacha game and the towel pole right there.
Unfortunately, we don't have those accounts. But
Nope, okay.
But thank you, though.
No problem.
Let's go. You have to have saw a video of you guys from online. You guys have the 100 face dice too, right? The 100, 100, 100?
No, maybe 60.
260?
Yeah, we might have had 200 at one point. Not right now.
Got it. Beautiful, by the way. I'll teach you how to play Magic. Don't need a lot of dice. Good luck to you guys, right? Feel the weight of it. Feel the weight of hard work.
Just don't look over there and y'all look. Oh my god, it's a mouse pad. For $30, that should be good.
Was this something you could use or no?
Yeah, I think it's
All right. If I'm spending all this money, what am I getting in return?
good grades. Good grades.
Oh, so if you get good grades, you get something. So I have to spend money for you to get good grades now?
Yeah.
Is this the only one? You have other ones.
No, I need this. Don't let Jaden see this.
Is this what's her name?
I can know me too.
Oh, Miku. Okay. Will you do 25 on the mouse pad? What will you do? I get two. 2 for 50? 2 for 50? Oh, for one. Oh, for two. So this is the last one? We're closing. No, I'm asking her. The last, no more. That's it? Thank you.
I guess we keep it. Yeah. Guess we keep.
Get a large. Yeah. You want this one? Can we see the full shirt?
Okay. Yeah. I'm gonna use this medium.
Yeah, but if you're gonna unlock it, right?
I know, but it's just to see. Just to see the design.
Or what about that one now? Here, let me hold it so you can see it.
There's so many things we have to hold. Oh, this is cute too.
Okay. Alright, let me spread it out. Which one do you want?
Alright, get the blacks.
You have so many blacks already.
Alright, so let's get a white.
Alright, how about this? T-shirt and the mat. What can you do for me? If I get a t-shirt and the mat, what can you do? 可以便宜点吗？
是拿2件衣服，
一件衣服，一件 mat。
还15块钱。
Which one? The large one? I'll take the mat.
Alright, let's go in the main area.
This one? Or no? Oh, this is extra large.
I can take the large. Larges are a bit too big.
This one? This one.
Yeah.
Alright, that's it. No more. We're going home.
I'm not sure if I want this jacket. I don't do gaming. Mom doesn't allow me to do gaming. My desk is kind of small.
If you don't want, not getting in. But this is the one you want?
Yeah.
There you go. Just this. Now tell them to be off. You 可以啊，有这个吗？